Have you ever stopped to think about what actually happens after you toss a pile of dirty clothes into a washing machine, pour in some detergent, and press a button? A few moments later, the machine begins filling with water, starts spinning, and about an hour later, your clothes come out looking and smelling clean. It feels almost like magic. Though behind that simple process, have you ever stopped to question how a washing machine actually cleans your clothes, or how do washing machines actually work? Let's find answers to that right here on History of Simple Things. Long before washing machines existed, doing laundry was one of the most exhausting household chores. People carried buckets of water from rivers or wells, heated it over a fire, scrubbed clothes against rocks or washboards, and twisted heavy, soaking fabrics by hand to remove water. Washing a family's laundry could easily consume an entire day. The invention of the washing machine wasn't simply about convenience. It dramatically reduced one of the most labor-intensive tasks people faced every week. The first powered washing machines appeared in the late 1800s, but they were far from the sophisticated appliances we know today. Early models relied on hand cranks or simple electric motors to move clothes around in soapy water. Engineers gradually discovered that effective cleaning wasn't just about soaking garments. Clothes actually needed movement. By repeatedly shifting fabrics through water mixed with detergent, dirt particles could be loosened and carried away without damaging the fibers. That principle remains at the heart of every modern washing machine. Contrary to what many people imagine, washing machines don't scrub clothes the way your hands would. Instead, they create controlled agitation. Whether it's a traditional top-loading machine with a central agitator or a front-loading machine with a rotating drum, the goal is the same. Repeatedly move fabrics through water so detergent can reach every thread while gently rubbing clothes against themselves. Water is the first essential ingredient. As the machine fills, sensors determine how much water is needed based on the selected cycle and, in many newer machines, even the weight of the laundry. Too much water actually reduces cleaning efficiency because clothes simply float around without enough friction. Too little water prevents detergent from circulating properly. Finding the right balance is one reason modern washers clean better while using significantly less water than older models. Next comes the detergent, which performs a far more impressive job than simply making water soapy. Water alone struggles to remove oily stains because oil and water naturally repel each other. Detergent contains molecules called surfactants. Each surfactant has one end that is attracted to water and another that is attracted to oils and grease. As the drum rotates, these molecules surround tiny droplets of oil, sweat, and grime, lifting them away from fabric and suspending them in the water so they can be rinsed away instead of sticking back onto your clothes. This is why using the correct amount of detergent matters. More soap doesn't necessarily mean cleaner clothes. Excess detergent can leave behind residue, trap dirt inside lingering suds, and even encourage mold to grow inside the machine over time. Ironically, using too much detergent may leave clothes feeling less clean than using the recommended amount. Once water and detergent are mixed, the real cleaning begins. In a top-loading machine with an agitator, the central column twists back and forth rapidly. That movement forces clothes to constantly change direction, creating friction between fabrics. In front-loading machines, the drum rotates more slowly, lifting clothes upward before gravity causes them to tumble back into the water. Surprisingly, this tumbling action is often gentler on clothing while also being more effective at cleaning because the repeated falling motion helps detergent penetrate deep into the fibers. Temperature also plays a major role. Warm water dissolves oils more easily and helps detergent work faster, making it useful for heavily soiled items. Hot water can kill more bacteria and is often recommended for towels or bedding. Cold water, however, has become increasingly effective thanks to modern detergents specifically designed to clean at lower temperatures. Using cold water not only saves energy, but also helps prevent shrinking, fading, and damage to delicate fabrics. As dirt becomes suspended in the wash water, the machine eventually drains everything away. This is where one of the most overlooked parts of the cycle happens: rinsing. Fresh water enters the drum to flush away remaining detergent along with the loosened dirt. If detergent stayed behind, it would continue attracting dust and oils, making clothes feel stiff or look dull over time. Multiple rinse cycles ensure that what leaves the machine is mostly clean fabric rather than leftover soap. Then comes the dramatic high-speed spin cycle. At first glance, it may seem like the machine is simply shaking the water out. In reality, physics is doing most of the work. As the drum spins at hundreds or even more than 1,000 revolutions per minute, centrifugal force pushes water outward through tiny holes in the drum while the clothes remain inside. This removes a remarkable amount of moisture before the clothes ever reach the dryer or clothesline, significantly reducing drying time. Modern washing machines are also surprisingly intelligent. Many now include sensors that detect unbalanced loads, adjust spin speeds, measure water clarity, or estimate fabric weight. Some machines can even pause automatically if excessive vibration occurs or optimize wash times depending on how dirty the water becomes. These technologies help save electricity, reduce water consumption, and extend the life of both the appliance and your clothing. The next time you hear the familiar hum of a washing machine, remember that you're listening to much more than a spinning drum. You're watching chemistry dissolve oils, physics remove water, carefully engineered mechanics create the perfect amount of agitation, and smart sensors coordinate every step. What seems like an ordinary household appliance is actually performing thousands of tiny scientific processes every second, all working together to transform dirty, stained clothing into something fresh, clean, and ready to wear again. It's a quiet reminder that some of the most remarkable technology isn't always the most complicated looking. Sometimes it's simply hiding in your laundry room. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.